Yo, just want to check in with you guys, do a quick review of this product here for putting plants in the ground. Man, this thing is a lifesaver, and I just want to show you guys this. So I have my standard drill here. I got a Cobalt. I recommend getting a good drill for this. The tip on here is 11/32, and all it does is it clips right in. Next, you pick your spot, which is right here, push it down in there, and then just start at it. Boom, nice clean hole. And man, this makes this so much easier when you're using this tool. No more having to use post hole diggers. But if you need a quick hole to go in the ground, this is a good tool. So check it out on Amazon, link down in the description below. This is not a paid review. This is just a review of a product that checks off my list and works great. So we did go on ahead and get these 3 pepper plants in the ground with no problems. And then we also got these holes dug here. Look at this thing, man. This thing did an amazing job of doing these. Obviously, you're going to want a really good drill to use this with, but it gave me no problems. So if you enjoyed today's content, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. We'll have more how-tos and unboxings and tech related content coming your way. That's your boy Endless. Peace.